In this video, I'm going to discuss how to harmonize news and technical trading for your day trading. One method by which you can do that, guys. I don't have all the answers. Before I move on to this video, I just want to clearly state this is not investment advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You should trade at your own risk. If you like this content, you want to support me, support this channel, please make sure to use the affiliate links in the description box below. In the description box below, you can find affiliate links to Apex Trader Funding, Topstep Trader Funding, the Trading Pit, Tradingview.com, which are the charts that you see in front of you, and American Express Blue Cash Preferred credit cards. Okay, guys, with that being said, I want to talk about one very simple way, whether you're trading your own money or you are trading a simulated prop firm account through Apex or through Topstep or through another prop firm company. I want to talk about one very simple way that you can harmonize the news and technical trading, and that's what I like to call having a reason behind every trade. So one of the ways that I've been able to improve my strike rate and hopefully get a funded account soon, I have had Express funded accounts before, but as of right now I don't have one. But that being said, I'm currently trading on Topstep, working towards a 150K funded account. With that being said, one of the ways that you can sort of curb your excesses, let's say, and one of the ways that you can stay grounded in your trading is simply to have a news headline to justify your trade each and every time. Okay, there's a lot of different futures markets that you can trade. You can trade everything from the stock indexes to treasury yield futures, which are inversely correlated with the yields. You can also trade, as you can see, all of these things are tradable on Topstep, and I believe they're also all tradable on Apex. And frankly, the futures markets constantly have news coming out. And then if you look at the currencies, for example, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, the yen, these are Forex pairs paired against the dollar, basically. And so you can also look at Forex headlines. One of the things that I recommend doing, and I have brought up this website before, is just keep an eye on Financial Juice. So let's see if I can pull up Financial Juice. All right, guys, this is Financial Juice. If you just refresh the page, these are updated all the time. Have a reason for every trade. Okay, whether that's in my recommendation to you is that no matter what you're seeing technically, have a fundamental or a news headline reason why you are taking the trade that you were taking, and then you'll find that your strike rate is going to increase. You're going to find that your success, in my opinion, not financial advice, I think you're going to find that your strike rate is going to increase over time. So with that being said, guys, make sure that you are looking at Financial Juice. And then the other thing I want to mention here is on Tradingview, which is the news. This is one of the ways that I have improved my trading over time, and I've curbed some of my excesses, and I have got multiple Express funded accounts before. I wish I could say that I've gone all the way and gotten to a live funded account yet. I haven't, but I'm working on it. And one of the ways that I have improved my trading, and my not financial advice recommendation, is have a news driver behind your trades. Okay, so each and every time that you take a trade, so many different markets you can look at, guys. You can look at the Forex headlines here on TradingView. You can look at the bond headlines, which are going to be inversely correlated, right? So inversely correlated, the yields inversely correlated with the futures. You can look at the futures headlines. You can look at the indices. My basic advice is, all right, you're going to take a trade. Why are you taking that trade? Do you have a news headline? Do you have some market catalyst that is giving you that idea, something other than just what you're seeing on the chart? Okay, guys, like for example, see there was a big move up to another 19th all-time high in the NASDAQ composite. And if we take a look at the indices from about 2 hours ago, I'm going to take us back to Financial Juice. I want to show you the headline that I was looking at. This came out. Okay, not able to find that headline again. Another one that I would look at, guys, is to look at Bloomberg. Bloomberg is another good source for news headlines. I want to see if I can find the news headline that I was looking at. Okay. I'm going to show you here on Tradingview. I'm going to head back over to Tradingview and show you one of the ways that you can have a news headline. So, taking a look here at the right side of your screen, and I'm going to go ahead and hide myself for a moment. So you see I have the NASDAQ selected, and then from a few hours ago, Wall Street edges higher with data, Fed comments in focus. You can also look at some of these ideas from other people. I personally don't look at that very much. But here we are back on the news page, and I click on indices, and about an hour ago you can see some of the different headlines that came out. So my basic recommendation, I know I've been a little bit long-winded in saying this, have a news headline for every trade that you take. Have some catalyst, a headline, an article, a strategist, an analyst. As long as you have a reason for the trade you're taking, you're going to find that your strike rate's going to improve. You're going to find that you're going to be on the right side of the market more often than if you're just looking at the chart and just looking at the technicals. With that being said, if you can harmonize having a fundamental reason in addition to knowing some of your technical indicators like your Bollinger Bands, for example, and you can get those two things in harmony, you're much more likely to increase your strike rate. So that's my basic advice. I'm not going to take any more time on this video. I think the advice is very simple. Have a news headline, have a catalyst, have a reason for each and every trade that you're taking. Don't take trades randomly. Don't take them based purely on the chart. Make sure that you're reading your headlines, you're keeping up with your news, and you especially need to make sure that you know your economic calendar. Like, for example, tomorrow we have retail sales. If you don't know that, you're just gambling blindly. So this is how I take my trades. I make sure that every single time I take a trade, I've got a news headline from Financial Juice, Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, or right here on TradingView. I have a news headline for every trade that I take. And that's why I have a lot of markets here on the right side of the screen. I can trade them on Topstep. Lots of different news coming out all hours of the day. Okay, guys, this is my basic advice. Good luck trading. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I would also ask, if you are interested in this content, you want to support the channel, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and use the affiliate links in the description box below. Apex Trader Funding, Topstep Trader Funding, The Trading Pit, Tradingview, and American Express Blue Cash Preferred.